to the height that my arms are in the right position. More. Right, stop. Before you determine the height of your microscope, there are a couple other things you need to do. First of all, you need to determine your interpupillary distance. So this is for everybody personal, and you can just, depending on what microscope you use, you can determine what that distance is. The second is, if you're wearing any prescriptions, you can also determine the focus of your eyes by just, if you have asymmetric focus, then you can determine that by just turning on the little reel that you have right here. So once you have that right, then you want to determine your height. The first thing what you want to do to get your microscope in focus is that you want to put your focus all